Okay, health comers, good afternoon. Let me properly introduce myself today. Unlike last time, I came for Piro. I didn't introduce myself properly, so let me introduce myself properly today. My name is Unyimo Moren, and I welcome you to today's episode on health com. So, from our last video, I got a lot of messages. I was addressing Piro, and a lot of men and women that were having the same mindsets of Piro. But thank God I have cleared that notion. So now today, we are going to elaborate more on the topic because I got lots of messages from people. Unyimo Moren, please can you elaborate more about male infertility? Can you tell us how the hormonal test is carried out? How much does it cost? How do you go about it? A lot of questions. So today, let me answer. I won't say all, but let me just answer almost all of your questions. So, as regards hormonal infertility in male, here's how it works. First of all, you have to see a doctor that specializes on male reproductive health, and that doctor is called a urologist or an andrologist. Yes. So you have to book consultation with that doctor, and then the doctor will give you guidelines on how to go about the hormonal test and various tests and how to sort out the male infertility that you might be experiencing. All right, so let's dive into the topic of today. Hormonal imbalance test. Here's how it is carried out. It's very simple. Very simple. Okay? A sample of your blood is taken from your vein, and now this blood sample is used to test for the various hormonal hormones in the blood. That is the follicle stimulating hormone, the luteinizing hormone, and the testosterone hormone. We have other hormones such as the estrogen hormone, we have the prolactin hormone, the thyroid stimulating hormone, a lot of hormones. But the three major hormones that are tested for male infertility are the follicle stimulating hormone, all right, that is responsible for sperm production, the luteinizing hormone that is responsible for stimulating the testosterone, and the testosterone hormone that is responsible for the production of secondary sex characteristics such as the masculine voice you have for male, the muscles, the broad chest, the hair, the beard, and all. These are the hormones that are tested in the blood. And now they check the quantity of these hormones if they are in their right proportion in the blood. But if they are not in the right proportion in the blood, the doctor will tell you what to do. Probably place you on a diet or give you some medications that will help boost those hormones that are lacking in your blood or that are low in number in your blood. Having said that, aside from hormone testing for male infertility, another very important test that is conducted for male infertility is semen analysis. We have various tests. We have a lot of tests. We have the testicular biopsy test. This test is for the production of sperm, all right? And we have the genetic test. Now, this test is to check the presence of the gene, if the gene are in their right order, okay? But the two major tests that are carried out for male infertility are the hormonal imbalance test and as well the semen analysis test. Now, here are the key factors that you need to look out for when carrying out semen analysis tests. Now, number one, they check the semen volume. They check the sperm concentration, they check the sperm count, they check the motility of the cell, that is how fast the spermatozoa, that is the sperm cells, run, okay, how they move to go fertilize an egg, all right? What I call again, the sperm count, all right? We have about 20 million to 150 million spermatozoa per ejaculate. I repeat, an healthy sperm carries 20 million to 115 million sperm cells per ejaculate. Good. So now we also check the morphology of the cell, that is the structure of the cell. Every cell, every healthy cell must have an oval head, a neck, and a tail. If a sperm cell does not have this structure, this morphology, then that sperm cell will not be able to fertilize an egg. Do you understand? So these are the sperm cells. These are the hormonal and the semen analysis tests that are carried out as regards male infertility. So now, have I answered your question? As for the cost varies in different countries. All right. When you see a urologist or your andrologist, he or she will tell you the cost in your country. All right. So what again? I think I've answered the question, right? All right. So now, in our next video, we'll be showing you the practical aspect on how these tests are carried out. So if you know you have not subscribed to this channel, you better subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, you won't get the notification when we drop our next video. And it's going to be a very interesting topic, because you get to see how these tests are carried out, and you get to see the structure of the sperm cells, how it moves, all right? And so until we meet again, so let me just keep lots of that details to myself until we meet again in our next video on HealthCom. Please, Piro, I'm impressed now. You have taken correction, right? No problem. We have resumed our friendship. So stay healthy and stay blessed. Bye for now.